Alright, so there are principles we must consider in a speech delivery, and we categorize them into two categories: the physical delivery and the voice delivery. So let us have first the physical delivery, and Kim will tell us the voice delivery later on. For the physical delivery, the first one is the appearance. The speaker's appearance should be appealing to the audience. Remember that you are the best visual aid, but don't forget to be comfortable. 2. The movement. All the movement in the stage should be voluntary and warranted. Nervousness can cause involuntary movements that can distress both the speaker and the audience. So in short, no movement can happen in the stage without any reason. Number 3 is posture. A confident speaker stands straight with his arms relaxed. Nervous speakers crawl on the podium and leans against the wall, and there is always fear and tension. So great speakers, on the other hand, take the informal posture and relax, and their audience relaxes too. Informal postures get the speaker a positive reaction from the speaker. 4 is facial expression. So the expression of the speaker's face determines the audience. That's Kim. A warm smile and a confident look take the audience close to the speaker. The expressions display the degree of involvement the speaker has in his speech. The involvement with the speech is all the necessity, and the rest will take care of itself. And remember this, the expression and the tone used by the speaker should go hand in hand with the message and the emotions that are delivered. You cannot say, I am happy, or I am sad. No. Any deviation in this would confuse your audience. Number 5 is eye contact. It is one of the most important gestures. It not only increases the speaker's direct contact with the audience, but it also increases the interest in their speech. Direct eye contact can help the speaker understand audience reaction, and it makes the occasion less frightening. Number 6 is stage presence. It refers to the ability of the speaker to acquire, keep audience attention through his or her presentation style. So remember, the stage is yours when you deliver your speech. Lastly, the audience impact. It refers to the type of social facilitation in which individuals' performance influenced by the presence of others. So that's it for the physical delivery, and let's have Kim for the voice delivery. Take it away, Kim.
Alright, so this is all about voice delivery and how to deliver the best speech possible using this knowledge. So let's get started with the first one. The first one is articulation. What does this mean? So articulation means the human production of speech sounds and how someone articulates their vocal and speech. So whenever you give a speech, it's important to articulate what you are saying and what you're giving out to your audience. So secondly, voice refers to the sound produced by humans and others using their vocal body parts. So vertebrates that are using their vocal body parts. Let's get on with the third term, which is C refers to the consistent and how you basically know the language and say something with accuracy. For example, would be learning or speaking fluent in Spanish, or fluent and having that fluency in the sense. Alright, so this refers also to speech and expression. Pronunciation refers to the way in which a word or language is being spoken. So the next is modulation, which refers to the adjustment of the voice, whether it's high or low, and knowing your level of frequency in that sense. So you're trying to know how high or low you are going to speak in your speech. Here is volume. So it refers to the number range of sound, okay? So this sound has to be loud enough to reach your audience, otherwise they won't be able to hear. So usually with people who have the fear of confrontation, or shall we say stage fright, it is simply normal to feel afraid in front of a huge crowd. So I truly recommend in terms of rehearsing your speech before your performance. In this way, you can feel a lot more comfortable and confident. The last but not least, we have time, which refers to knowing how long your time period will end, especially beforehand of a speech. So for example, if you're given 5 minutes to present your speech, then that's the time you have to perform and know when to stop. So this can be achieved by proper rehearsals. So thank you so much for understanding these concepts. I hope you practice your speech and know that you can do it.